and welcome to Letscookolet. Yes, today we want to show you how to make a meal, which is, we all get to this point one day, then we're lazy, we don't want to do a grocery shopping, then all of a sudden you open your fridge, you have lots of leftover, and today we're going to create meal from the leftover. So I opened my fridge, I found a steak and peppers. I make a chicken kebab, I have some leftover peppers, I have some leftover steak and some tomatoes, and I have some leftover barbecue sauce from the ribs I made. So let's put it together and we create something. I'm gonna cut the peppers. I have some sweet, mini sweet bell pepper. Voila. Here you go. This is a and I have some green peppers as well, and I have some onion and some green onion and some tomatoes. So we're gonna use all the leftovers we have. So let's start slicing the peppers first. Now we're doing the mini bell pepper. So the majority we have here, I don't know if I can say it this way, majority. The majority on the plate is the pepper. Second, it's the steak. So pretty much I'm gonna make a pepper steak. I have some green onion as well here. And just leftover, never throw away leftovers. You always can put it together, you create a nice meal for yourself, and it depends on the taste, like whatever you like. You know, like me, when I see a leftover steak I have, automatically I like barbecue sauce with it, and this is the leftover barbecue sauce. But if you have any barbecue sauce in your fridge, you can use for this. Red wine and barbecue sauce goes with it, with the vegetable. Let's put it together and we'll see, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna end it up with an amazing meal. So let's turn the stove on high. Some olive oil. We're not going to cook the steak first because the steak already pre-cooked. And we're gonna saute the vegetables, the peppers first, and then we'll add the steak. Voila, nice. I love it when I hear this sound, the sizzling sound. Salt and pepper. Now I have some tomato here to add. Doesn't matter how you slice it. All going to be cooked. Voila. Now I'm gonna slice the steak, which is, as you can see here, it's already pre-cooked. So it's about, nice, look, beautiful and tender. About 1/4 inch thick. And let's remove the fat here. And we're gonna slice it strips. Voila. Now we're gonna add it on top of the vegetable. Let's give it a little mix. Now we're gonna saute the beef and the peppers together, and then we'll add the sauce we have. We'll cover it up for about like 5 minutes and good to go. Nice. Now we're gonna add the leftover barbecue sauce I have. That is, I made it for the ribs. It's a homemade. Some some red wine, and I have some tamari sauce. May as well to add some on top of it. Now give it nice mix and bring the stove on low and let it simmer for not more than 5 minutes, and your pepper steak good to go. Nice, look at this. Beautiful. Very simple, very easy. Turn off and let's transfer. Voila. Now let's give a try, right? Some pepper and steak. It's not bad at all. So remember, don't throw out any leftover. Be a creator. You always create a good meal like this one. Put things together. That's what's all about home cooking. It's fun. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Take care.